Good morning. I'm gonna start to put these lashes on. I washed my face. I cleaned my lashes because I have dry eyes and I have this lash cleaner stuff. Anyway, I thought it would maybe help with the whole process. I am using this. Is it gonna work? This is gonna be fun. Can you tell I've never done this? I'm using my sample I got of the pre-cleanse to clean my lashes. I'm just gonna record everything and edit stuff afterwards, so this should be fun. There may be some spicy language. Anyway, opening this up. I've been told to put a toothpick in it. Do I have to cut it? I think I need to cut it. Also, I usually wear bifocals, so like when you see me doing this could be a very interesting process. But anyway, I haven't even said who I am. Hi, I'm Kirsten. I'm brand new to the group and brand new to lashes, and I just got my lashes yesterday.